in the national capital is still a major concern, and right now we are at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat, and the visuals will shock you because the condition of the Yamuna is very critical right now. You can see the visuals around us. The garbage is there, the we can say the pahar of plastic is clearly visible, and the jhag, the white cloudy jhags is also visible at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat right now. And one of the major things that is there at this particular Kalindi Kunj Ghat is that the drain that is coming from the Shadra is mixing with the Yamuna directly, and the chemicals that Shadra drain comes along is getting mixed inside the Yamuna river without any treatment plants, without getting treated directly. The Shadra drain is getting mixed with the Yamuna, and talking about this Shadra drain, then it is one of the most chemical drain in the national capital. In comparison with the 21 other drains, this particular Shadra drain comes along with all the chemical wastes that have been excreted by the industry and also spread on from the industries in this particular drain. And you can see the color of the Yamuna, the water is completely black, because this is the visuals that we are showing you of the Shadra drain that is getting mixed with the Yamuna without getting treated, without any sewage treatment plants in between them. And the pahar of the plastics, the garbage, the foul smell is clearly visible. So yes, the question still remains that how the BJP government will fulfill their promise of cleaning the Yamuna, because in comparison with all the other ghats, whether it's the ITO Ghat, the Vasudev Ghat, and the other ghats where the operation, the machinery have already been deployed to clean the Yamuna, but this is one of the major and crucial areas, and still the question remains that how BJP will plan out to clean this particular area and to stop the drains to directly fall into the Yamuna river. And this is also one of the major reasons for Yamuna getting dirty, and the foul smell, and the white colored jhags that are visible all over the Kalindi Kunj Ghat over the Yamuna river. So these are the basic major reasons rather for the increasing pollution inside the Yamuna river, and the increasing water pollution that the the Delhi is facing from last very a lot of years. So it is a very concerning issue rather, because you can see the visuals we are showing you from far away as well. You can see that only the white colored jhags are visible. The effervescence is visible all over the Yamuna river, and yes, it is a major concern, and BJP has already also signed an MOU to start the cruise services, to start the ferry services, and to increase the tourist spots across the Yamuna river as well. But the question that still remains is that how will BJP manage to clean the Yamuna within 3 years of time, because as per Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also the BJP leaders, it has been said that within 3 years the changes will be visible with the eyes that Yamuna is getting cleaned. And yes, we can say that first step has been taken and the machinery has been deployed, and the efforts is very much clear from the BJP side as well. But the condition, you can see the plastic is all around me. You can see the plastic bags, the plastic polythene that covers this particular ghat all around, and it is very bizarre to see that, because in between the Yamuna river at the ghat, this condition is very worsened, because all around me I can only see the pahars of the garbage, the pahar of the plastic accumulated at the the surrounding areas of the Yamuna at the ghats. And it is very alarming for BJP, and not only BJP, for also the delights, the people of the national capital, because it is also the duty of the people to take care of their water bodies, to take care of the Yamuna, because a lot of religious sentiments also attached with the river Yamuna. So yes, once again I'll show you the visuals around, and it is bizarre to see the black water that is flowing inside the Yamuna River, the drains that are falling in the Yamuna River without getting treated, and the garbage, the plastics all around the ghats is very, concerning to see all these situations, and the white colored jhags all over the Yamuna at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat. So yes, once again, NewsX is on, the drive right now, we can say, and we are showing you the visuals and the reality behind the cleaning of the Yamuna River, and also behind the situation that Yamuna River is in as of now. So the question still remains that what all BJP will plan to curb this particular situation. The BJP promises to clean the Yamuna River within the 3 years of time. So all the questions still remains, because the situation is very we can say alarming and very worsened, we can say, at this particular ghat, and not only this ghat but all over the national capital. So the questions are many, and the situation is worst of the Yamuna River in Delhi. With camera person Ankush, I am Mehendi Garg for News. The visuals that you can see on your screens are of the Yamuna River, because we are at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat right now, and you can see the situation behind me. It seems that these are the clouds and we are on cloud 9, but it's not like that, and it is the situation of the Yamuna River, because the white foam is clearly visible at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat in the Yamuna River. You can see the situation has got worsened of the Yamuna River, and as per the promises that have been done by the BJP, the question still remains that how this situation will be tackled and how the Yamuna River will be cleaned. And the major and the important thing about this particular area is that one of the major drains, the Tughlakabad drain, is getting mixed with the Yamuna River. The Tughlakabad drain is getting fallen into the Yamuna River without any treatment plants, without getting treated, and this is the second drain. We can for the viewers, this particular area, the Kalindi Kunj Ghat, where the Yamuna exists, two drains directly fall into the Yamuna River. One is the Shadra drain, and the visuals that we are showing you right now is of the Tughlakabad drain, and the visuals are very evident. You can see the black water that is there, the dust, the garbage is very evident. You can see the color of the water that is coming from the Tughlakabad drain, and the meeting point where the drain meets the Yamuna River, there is the collection of the white foam, which is very evident, very clear, and the situation is very alarming. And these are the chemicals. For the viewers, I would like to tell that these are the result of the chemicals that are coming from the industries, from the factories, that are being put into the drains and that are getting fallen into the Yamuna River without getting treated. So these are the results of the chemicals that are coming here, getting accumulated here, and the height, you can very visibly see the height of these particular foams. These are not very thin foams. You can see at the Yamuna River, at the base, at the surface of the Yamuna, these are very we can say heightened Yamuna foam, very thick foams that have been accumulated. And not only this particular area, we'll show you the visuals of the Kalindi Kunj area all over the ghat. You can see from far away places as well that the ghat is completely filled with garbage. The ghat is completely filled with the white foam, and it is very alarming, and we can say very disheartening as well, because a lot of religious sentiments also attached with the Yamuna, and we saw the visuals that were on the social media, and NewsX was also showing at the time of the Chhat Puja as well, where the people, as their religious sentiments, came to Yamuna River and were taking dubkis in this chemical water. So yes, the situation has gotten worse, but BJP has claimed that they will start the water sport activities. They will clean the Yamuna River in within 3 years rather, and also various steps have been taken, we can say, but the situation is very, very alarming right now, and the question still remains that how BJP will fulfill their promises, because it is not 1 year thing, it is not a 2 year thing, but the situation that is here, it will take a lot of time to curb the problem of Yamuna, to make the Yamuna River clean, and to make the river fronts that was promised by the Bharatiya Janata Janata Party as well. And the visuals are very evident. The garbage is completely accumulated on the ghats, at the ghats, and the people still are coming. And also for the viewers, it is also your duty to take care of your water bodies, to take care of the Yamuna River. So from NewsX, we'll also urge you to not dump the waste, the garbage on the ghats, because it will affect the Yamuna River, and it will also affect the cleaning of the Yamuna River that has been promised by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So the steps should be taken from the BJP government, from the locals, the Delhites who come here as their religious sentiments, to fulfill their religious sentiments, we can say. So it is the duty of everyone, and it is a collaborative effort that should be done to clean the Yamuna in the national capital. With camera person Ankush, I'm Mehendi Garg for NewsX. We are at the Kalindi Kunj Ghats right now, and you can see the visuals behind me. The area you can see behind me is completely submerged under the white foam. The Yamuna River is completely covered and surfaced with the white foams, and you can see that how the water is coming from that particular dam, and as soon as it reaches the Yamuna, it is getting converted into the white foams, and the situation is very alarming right now. And the white foam is visible all around the Yamuna River at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat, and people are also coming here and urges that the BJP government should take this problem more seriously and to fulfill the promise of cleaning the Yamuna. I'll show you the foam as well, and you can see that it is a thick foam, and it is the heights are also visible, that the foams are some feet, and these are not very thin forms, and we can say that these are thicker than the clouds, because the visuals, and you can see the dirt, the garbage, the dust that is there in the foams as well. And the foams are nothing but the chemicals that has been coming in the Yamuna River from the factories, from the industries, and making the Yamuna more critical and more worsen. And the ghats, you can see that all over the places are filled with garbage, filled with the thrown away things, and people are coming here for their religious practices as well. And they urges that the ghats should be cleaned as soon as possible. And one of the examples that we want to show you of the white foam being the chemicals, you can see the color of the stones that are here at the ghats, and you can see above the ghat, the colors are light brownish in color, but as soon as the foam touches the pebbles, the stones around the ghat, it is getting turned into black color, because these are very high chemicals that are coming from the factories, that are being drained from the factories, and are being fallen into the Yamuna River, and is making the Yamuna more hazardous, we can say, and the pollution in the Yamuna River is getting increased day by day. So yes, when will the BJP government will take cognizance of the Kalindi Kunj Ghat as well, because no such machinery is visible at this particular location. The questions are many, the situation still remains the same. People comes here for the religious practices and ask the question that when will the Yamuna be clean? With camera person Ankush, I am Mehendi Garg for NewsX.
राजस्थान के जन जन